Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension out in Duncan, Arizona on the far east side of the state. And I have a handy little tool here that I am so tickled with, I just had to share this with you. I remember seeing these ads in magazines, and I saw some at Harbor Freight or Northern Tool somewhere, and I thought, if it really worked that good, everybody'd have one, right? Well, one of my sons picked me up this for Father's Day a few years ago, and I've started using it, and I'm here to tell you, everyone should have one for sure. Not even sure what it's really called, but there's a roller, clamps onto the tailgate, and you spread this out, and I like to put it up over the toolbox a little bit, and then we make sure it's all the way down to the corner. So simple enough, right? So far so good. I'm going to go get a scoop of compost with my tractor real quick, and I'll show you how this thing works. Okay, so this is where the rubber meets the road. We're gonna drop our tailgate, and then there's this little strap right here with a hook on the end. We'll hook that up under the bumper, and the purpose of that is to prevent the tailgate from going up when you start cranking. So now we put the handle in and we unload. And there you have it. Little bit of sweeping, and we are unloaded. How's that for handy?